What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy LaShawn, back again here, actually by myself today. I'm going to be checking the tires with this tire checker, air pressure checker. We're going to be checking the front two tires, and the one over there too, those tires, and the back tires. So let's just get started. So first thing you want to do, get this in my right hand here, put it on there, push it, check it. It says 110, but it's supposed to be at 120. So we're gonna go around to the other tire, see what pressure that is. Let's poke it. 110 again. So I'm gonna go to the back tires here, or the truck tires here. Check those. 100. Oh. 100. To the last tires, to the back tires here. 100. 100. Where is it? Oh, there it is. 100. Other one's under here. 100 as well. I'm gonna go to the last two tires here. Yep, got to put it down. Beginner's mistake. 100. Check the back tire here. 110. So that was a little overfilled, but that's okay. Okay, so now we're just gonna go under here. A 100. So they're all supposed to be 100s. Not the front two tires. Well, on our truck, that's what it's supposed to be. Front two tires are 120. And the rest of the tires are 110. So we make sure that we keep our tires aired up. So let me just check these last two tires right here. 100. 100, okay? Okay. And also, make sure you always have a spare tire. You never know what happens on the highway. Anything can happen at any time. And if you might have a blowout on one of your tires, then you have a spare. Because when they come to help you fix your tire, if they bring another tire, if you don't have your own, it costs a lot of money, guys. I'm telling you now. We went through this before. So we just keep a spare tire under our trailer right there. And if you don't got one of these things right here, you can just go to one of the shops and buy them. And so we're just gonna check these last few tires. Then I want to talk to you guys about the landing gear, and then yeah, we started. Stacking stubborn. 100. 100. Okay, last two tires right here, guys. 100. 100. Okay, now guys, I want to talk to you about the landing gear. Okay, go on the other side of the truck where the handle is actually at. Okay, the landing gear is actually, it's important to remember, because trust me, I done seen some guys forget this a lot of times before. I mean, it's a beginner's mistake. Everybody makes mistakes. It's okay. But make sure when you unhooking your trailer, always put these down to the ground. Make sure it's like an inch off the ground at least before you let it go. Make sure you unhook all the cords so you won't deattach them from here or here. Okay. Now, that pretty much wraps up the video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you want to do in our next video. Give me some ideas. Shoot, we might do some ideas of yours. Make sure to comment. Comment. We really want to know what you guys are thinking. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, peace.